Lesson 3. The verb to be. In this lesson, you will understand the verb to be in the present tense. Form simple affirmative or positive sentences. Build basic identity sentences. Name, country, job. What is the verb to be? The verb to be tells us who or what something is. We use am, is, and are in the present tense. We often use to be to talk about names,
I am Tom.
age,
She is 15.
jobs or professions,
Anna is a teacher.
nationality,
Heiko is Japanese.
feelings,
We are hungry.
location,
They are at home.
quality.
You are very kind.
Singular, one person or thing. We use am with I or person speaking.
I am Peter. I am from Australia. I am a bank manager. I am 30 years old. I am married.
The short form of I am is I'm.
I'm Peter. I'm from Australia. I'm a bank manager. I'm 30 years old. I'm married.
We use are for you or the person we are talking to. We also use are for we, you, they in the plural. Mark, you are late.
We are on holiday.
Children, you are in class 2B.
They are my friends.
The short form of you are is your. We use is with he, she, it, or when we talk about a man, a woman, or an animal, or a thing. He is my brother. She is a doctor. It is my cat.
It is a box.
The short form of he is. He's. He's Mark. He's my brother. He's an engineer. He's 27 years old. He's very funny. The short form of she is. She's. She's Jennifer. She's a teacher. She's my best friend. She's from Canada. She's always happy. The short form of it is it's. It's my cat. It's 2 years old. It's always hungry.
It's a box. It's empty.
Plural. 2 or more people or things. The short form of we are, we're.
We're from England. We're on holiday in Italy. We're in Rome now. We're on a tour. We're so excited.
The short form of you are is you're.
Children, you're in class 2B, not 2C. And you're early too. Your English class is at 12 o'clock. You're all ready, aren't you? You're so nice.
The short form of they are, they're.
They're friends. They're always together. They're all from the same school. They're classmates too.
Overview of the verb to be.
I am or I'm. You are or you're. He is or he's. She is or she's. It is or it's. We are or we're. You are or you're. They are or they're. I am happy or I'm happy. You are late or you're late. He is Peter or he's Peter. She is a doctor or she's a doctor. It is my cat or it's my cat. We are from Italy or we're from Italy. You are in class 2B or you're in class 2B. They are friends or they're friends.
Let's practice. Listen and repeat.
I am. I am. I'm. I'm. I am. I'm. You are. You are. You're. You're. You are. You're. He is. He is. He's. He's. He is. He's. She is. She is. She's. She's. She is. She's. It is. It is. It's. It's. It is. It's. We are. We are. We're. We're. We are. We're. You are. You are. You're. You're. You are. You're. They are. They are. There. There. They are. There.
You have learned the verb to be in the present tense for affirmative or positive form. In the next lesson, you will learn the verb to be in the negative form. Well done! This is Ars Voxis Language Studio, helping you speak with clarity and confidence. See you in the next lesson.